Hey there, it's Dr. Crypto here. I just want to do a very quick update on the Vulcan Forged, the Elysium launchpad that was sort of announced earlier today, around about 5-6 hours ago. So I want to have a quick look into that, and then basically what we'll do is we'll just have a look at the overall market for Vulcan Forged and how it's sort of progressing. So without any further ado, let's get into the Elysium launchpad. So 5 hours ago, we had a tweet from Vulcan Forged regarding the Elysium launchpad. Must admit, don't know much about it, but no doubt we will do as time progresses. So anyway, so they tweeted here, what is the Elysium launchpad? They say here, it's a place where any studio can launch their games with a tier of PYR and lockup, and it's coming soon. Thanks to our friends eGamer.io for the write-up. So I went to the write-up. So it says here, it's a leading metaverse game studio for Vulcan Forge has announced that the platform will be launched. It's an Elysium launchpad in the future, and it's a thing of beauty. So it's looking exciting. In a recent tweet, the company made an announcement to kickstart a new era of Elysium blockchain. The Elysium mainnet went live in April, which was of April of 2022, and the main hosting launchpad will be another big achievement, both for Vulcan Forged and Elysium. So what they've done is they've given us a few little snippets. So let's go to these and have a quick look. So yeah, you can see all these like NFTs. It looks like NFTs here. Potential launchpad. So yeah, they're not really, to be honest, they're not really giving a much away. So, you know, I'm having a look here. It's a work of art, PYR. It's enough with crazy good news for today. My heart can't take it anymore. And obviously, you see this in the price action. DAMPO is growing every single day. How will we participate? Do we need to stake PYR? Wow, this is beautiful. So, as I have said in previous videos, Vulcan Forged has building. They have institutional backing, Skybridge, you know, with the 8 billion investment, with 33 million to one side. You know, Vulcan Forge is building. It's a play to earn gaming project which has NFTs, and it's got a lot of other things going on as well. And now we've got this, the Elysium launchpad. And not forgetting, we've also got the metaverse, where you can also go and buy pieces of land, build to your heart's content. So yeah, so it's given us some imagery here of what's actually going to be coming about on the launchpad. So, you know, it says here, the Elysium launchpad, what is a launchpad? And this is what a lot of people have been asking. Well, we now know. So a crypto launchpad or a crypto incubator is a platform where blockchain-based projects can raise capital in an early stage. The reason why they had a launchpad for raising investments is the launchpads are significantly low in cost. Another reason launchpads are good, options for projects, is the security they provide to both projects and investors like ourselves. Additionally, they act as a bridge to connect the community of investors and crypto enthusiasts. When a project launchpad, it offers tokens for discount, those who are ready to buy them early. So it looks like you might get some sort of drop. The amount of tokens, you can buy from the project depends on the number of tokens you own on the launchpad. So what does it say about the Elysium? So Elysium mainnet is live. We all know that, and it says from April 2022, and everyone can use it. Elysium is powered by Vulcan Forge, one of the industry's best and most reliable gaming studios, and might I add, a screaming studio which is growing, and it's growing fast, and that's with the community as well, with a massive plans to connect the gamers from everywhere in the world. It's 100% carbon neutral and powered by NFTs backed by real trees planted several countries across the globe, generating CO2 oxygen. So, you know, obviously, you know, these guys are taking everything serious. not just for the investors, but the taking, for the environment as well. Like so, and this is what I like about Vulcan Forge and Jamie, who's the Jamie Thompson, who's the founder. He takes things like this very seriously, and he takes this project to his heart, and he puts his heart and soul in it, and you can see that from when he did his AMA. This is his life basically. He's got his family, but this is his life, and he's building it, and he's proving to a lot of people that he means business, and Vulcan Forge means business, and the community is growing and meaning business. So when we look at this is absolutely amazing. And when we come to this next, when the market starts to turn, and it feels like it now, a lot of green. I could feel that in time, it's just going to explode. It's already exploded, but it really is going to spin heads, to be honest with you. And that's the way I think Vulcan Forge is going. They've got everything there. They've got the fundamentals there, and you can see Jamie Thompson. He's employing the best of the best. Now he has the funding, the money, and it's all coming in. So he's employing the best of the best, So I have every confidence in Vulcan Forged. Everything that I say is obviously not financial advice. I always say do your own research. But this is a project for the next bull cycle to watch closely, So I hope you enjoy that bit there. So let's go and move on to the next section. Let's just have a quick look at the price action and see where Vulcan Forge is going. So looking at the coin market cap at the moment, so we are currently up around about a market cap here of around about 4.63%, so we're nice in the green. The market cap itself is around about 4.08. Fully diluted market cap is up in the green, 4.63%, and the volume is going up, it's rising 36.28. And look, you can see on here, everybody, people on here, bullish. You always get the odd one bearish, bullish. It's just all bullish. With the odd bears, you always do bullish. And we could go on and on and on and on and on. So everything's at the moment is up. We can have a look at on the trading view. I put this out here. We were sort of in this channel. We just could not get out. We banged our heads. This is a trend line coming down. And we just kept on banging our heads on this trend line, just repeating, and we just kept on coming down. And then we found ourselves in this, just like most crypto, found ourselves just in this, hitting support and resistance, And, but, next here, so we smashed out there, come back down, sort of were consolidated around, at this point, it was just consolidation. And this is on the hourly chart, and boom, straight out. But if we go on the 15, that would give us a closer look at where we are. So again, look at that, bouncing around. We just kept on bouncing around. Look at this, it's beautiful, like step ladders, isn't it? Just going up, sideways, up, and sideways. Big push up, breakthrough, come down, sort of retest, sort of goes sideways again, and look at that, the volume. Look at that volume, came straight in. Obviously, today, in the next hour or so, when Jerome Powell does a speech, that could change the market, and obviously a lot of altcoins follow what Bitcoin do. So, we could end up pushing back down, but if our friend Jerome Powell decides to say getting a bit more dovish, the market could change and start pushing up. But at the same time, we've got the CPI on Thursday. That's something to watch, and at the end of the day, if we can get 6.5 or less, I could see the markets rallying, and obviously crypto will end up rallying too. So on the day, it's Vulcan Forge, it's looking good. On the trading view, it's saying, we're sort of up by 7.48, 7.5 now. Let's have a quick look at Lux Algo. Lux Algo got strong there, it's only on 15. Let's put it on a 4 hour, gives us a bit more idea. Yeah, look at that. I really do like Lux Algo. So if you ever want to look at an algorithmic tool, you can look at this. Look at that. Gives me the buy, sideways. It's giving me another buy. Boom. And that, so it's looking good. Look at that. It told us to sell there. This is if you're short-term trading, that is. Sell there. Dun-dun. Yeah, you would have got out. Buy. Got back in. Boom. You know, so yeah, it's all good. I'll do another video on that one day. But Vulcan Forge, to me, it's sort of, we're broken out of this, you know, just this range. You know, so hopefully if the market turns today or on Thursday, I really can see us getting back up to that, you know, $4, $5 kind of range. So, you know, just keep your eyes peeled. I do think we could get back up to this mark here, $4 to $5, quite easy. We've got a bit of probably a bit of resistance here, but you know, let's see what happens. So hopefully, you know, the markets will change, and you know, Vulcan Forge is going to do. But like I said, if you want to look at projects that have got great fundamentals, great community, and keep on building in the bear market, you know, Vulcan Forge gaming token for me is my top holding for my gaming tokens. So if you like this kind of content, give us a thumbs up, give us a subscribe, and if you want to follow me on Dr. Crypto at 76 on Twitter, then please do. All right, you take care, have a great day, stay safe out there, and we'll speak to you soon.